Hello everyone, this is Al, a new episode today, and without any delay, let's start. Today I'm going to build a coming soon page with Elementor Pro. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing and sharing my videos. Second thing, I would like to answer Lance Trek or Lance McGrew, who asked which. Let me have a look exactly the question. If I could share the source for the screen measuring extension. Alright, I have uploaded on Twitter 2 images. I'm using Dimension 205 and the other one is a Page Ruler 209. They both can be downloaded on the extension on Chrome. Let's have a look here. There we go. The first one is Dimension and Page Ruler. Without any delay, let's start. Today I'm going to show you how I built this coming soon page in a few minutes. I'm going to the Elementor. There we go. This is the Elementor page. I'm going to exit. Go to the dashboard. Now I'm going to create a new page and I'm going to call it Coming Soon 2 because I already got one page called Coming Soon. Then I'm going to choose the template to Canvas and I'm going to press Publish. Then I'm going to edit with Elementor Pro. There we go. Let's start to edit. So this is the actual page. Now I got a text, a countdown, and an email form, and the social media. So let's go back to the Elementor. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to add a new selection, and I'm going to do one section here, one column. Okay. Now once I've done that, I'm going to section, full width. I'm going to say fit to screen. All right. Then I'm going to style. I'm going to choose the image. Now the image I have chosen is this one here, but of course you can choose any one. Let's say now that I'm going to choose another one. Let's see if I got something big. Then I can choose. There we go. Let's choose this one here. I'm going to press Insert Media. Okay. Position is center. No repeat. And I'm going to press Cover. There we go. Now, going back to the edit part of it, I'm going to add the text. Going to write OSC, open source channel. I'm going to center, style, color is white, typography. Now I don't remember what exactly. I think it's Roboto. Exactly, 100 pixel Roboto. Okay, let's go here. 100. Family Roboto. The weight is 300 and the style is normal. So weight is 300, style normal. I'm going back to the section and on the actual style I'm going to add an overlay because otherwise it won't be visible properly the actual text. So I'm going to click on the classic, choose a color, choose black, and I'm going about say about 50%. As you can see, the actual text now pops out. Go back to the elements. I'm going to add a new text element below. I'm going to copy. Again, you can type whatever you want, really. I'm going to paste it, center, and back to style. Color is white. Now, I believe this one is 30 pixel 200 normal. So I'm going to say typography, 30 pixels. Again, Roboto. $300 and normal. 200, not 300. There we go, 200. Now looks good. Okay, I think there is a little bit of padding here. Let's let me close this. I don't know why I open it. Let's add some padding. I'll go to advanced, unlink, so I can only choose the top. I'm going to choose 40. There we go. I'm going back. Now I'm going to add a Pro element. All right, this is only with a Pro, and is the countdown. Here we go. Let's do it here, and then I'm moving this one up. So let's start to edit the elements. As you can see, the text and the numbers are all white, and there is no labels. No, actually there is a label there. All right, I'm going to choose inline. Style, I'm going to choose the background color as white first and then transparent. Okay, looks good. Let me have a look here how it works. Yeah, works perfectly well. Go back to editing. Now let's have a look the fonts. Again, a 69 I can see here, and that's 19. They're both normal, and they're both Roboto's Lab, the other one. Okay. So let's go on this one here. I'm going to style, go to count the digits. All right, so the digits are Roboto 69 normal. $69 Roboto, and the style is normal. That's for the digit, and for the label the color is white again. Let's do this one, Roboto. We know it, Roboto's Lab, last one. I think it was 19. Yes, 19 normal. Okay. There we go. Now after we've done that, we're going to add the email submission. So we go to form, we put underneath. Now I'm going to delete the message and the name. Then on this one here, I'm going to choose 75%. And the button, I'm going to choose 25%. So we got this one here. I'm going to remove the label. I'm going to choose the MailChimp. Now once you do MailChimp, make sure you got the API key here. You can add your own custom message if you wanted to. There we go. That looks good. Let's go and start to style it. On the field text color, I'm going to choose white. Background color, I'm going to transparent. Border color, I'm going to choose white. And the border width, I'm going down to 0. That's up. There we go. Unlink, and at the bottom, I'm going to choose 1. So now let's have a look. As you can see, it looks like this. Now the only thing we got to do now is center and change the button look. So let's open this one here. Let's choose button. Now the button text is going to be white. The hover, I'm going to say just the animation pulse. Alright, so the background color is going to be like this, transparent. Looks good. Yes, looks very good. Now let's go back to D. Okay, now the only way you can achieve this in the middle and small, right? Well, you can actually add the percentage and link it, and these different ways, all right? Now I can do 40 and then 40, all right? Or I can change that to 35 and 35. I think it was 35 and 35. All right. Now if I open like this, nice. Yeah, it was 40. It was 40. All right. I think it was 35. Then I realized it was quite big. Then I went down to 40. There we go. Now once I open up, as you can see, it looks much better. Now as you can see here, on the left and on the right, there's a little round things. Now to remove that is very simple. Now all you got to do is press unlink and job done. Once you save it, that will go. No, it's not this one. I do apologize. Form fill style. There we go. No. All right. To do this, you need to change the border. You got to do unlink here, not on the other one. I do apologize. Style, filled, and then press unlink here. Okay, make sure it's unlinked, and then you save it. So now, as you can see, once we go to do it, let's have a look at this one here on an extra page, how it looks like now. There we go. Now as you can see, it's quite straight. There we go. Yeah, looks good. Now we're going to change some of the paddings. Let's open this one here. On this one here, I'm going to add a padding in advanced padding. I'm going to unlink, and on the top I'm going to do 80. I'm also going to do a little bit on the counter, a link padding, and I'm going to do this time 40. So as you can see, I open up a little bit between the lines. Again, it's up to you, is your preference how you want to do it. Let's do 20 here, and let's do 40 here. I mean, I do some type, design, and then I change my mind and I do it again and again until I'm happy with it. Now, after that, if you remember correctly, we're going to add the social media, going back to the form. Now this Pro element, and I'm going to add the share buttons at the bottom of the email confirmation here. So this is how it comes as a standard. Now, so let's start, put everything in the middle. I'm going to choose just the icons. The skin, I'm going to choose minimal. Square, that's fine by me because we're going to remove this. And whatever is here needs to be left alone. Now, I'm going to leave it as they are, the actual 4, but you can add as many as you want, as you can see it, and automatically will populate it for you. Okay, if you want to change from one social media to another, just click on the top, and here is the full list. Okay, so then don't forget here the custom label, you can do that as well. All right. I'm going to style it as I said, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose custom color. Then the primary color is the background color, and I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to put it as a transparent. Now, as you can see here, they're white like it was before on the other one, and I'm going to choose a nice blue color. Now let's do white here. I do apologize. The blue color is when I hover, as you can see here. On the sand, as you can see, a pulsate. That's all there is. Now I'm going this one here. I'm going up, add advanced, padding, again, unlink, and on the top I'm going to do 50 pixels. There we go. Let's have a look at how it looks. It looks perfectly well here. I'm going to refresh. And that's it, really. Let's go back. Let's see if we can center this a little bit. There we go. It looks okay. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to refresh. All right. It looks much better now. Now, the first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to back on the main, and I'm going to choose the tablet version. I want to make sure that everything looks correct. Now, this one doesn't look correct on the tablets. We're going to expand it a little bit. And I'm going to say percentage this one. I'm going to say 10% here and 10% here. Well, it looks a little bit big, but let's say 15% and 15%. And 20 looks perfect like this. Let's have a look. Yeah, I like it the way it looks, so I'm up with that. Now I'm going to choose the mobile version. There we go. I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to unlink the margin, and so we open up at 100%. I might do 1, 2, and 3. Let's say 10 here and 10 on the left. There we go. Looks good. Now I'm going to change the countdown and this one here. The style, I'm going to choose the size. That will open up like this. Open source channels too much. Let's do something decent. And on the mobile, I'm going to add the padding of on the top for let's say 20 pixels. And on this one here, There we go. I'm opening up the padding there. Exactly on this one here. So on that one now we go to style it, because logically it's big for the mobile version. And I'm going to content. Now for the digit, I'm going down like this for now, and for the label I'm going something like this. I'm going back to the section. It looks good. Yeah, I'm centering everything here. Everything looks perfectly well. I'm going back to the desktop, close our app, and there we go. We got the final coming soon page. Let me refresh this one here. There we go. Now I'm going down to this is the tablet version, I think. Yeah. Then we're going down to, well, it doesn't work for the mobile. Let's have a look why. Perhaps I haven't done the most important thing. In fact, save it. Let's go back, and let's go back here. Let's have a look. Here we go. Now we got the mobile version, we got the tablet version, and then we got the desktop version. Now for the mobile version, let's have a look here. We might be able to do something different. Okay. Right, it looks like it that for the mobile it's not expanding to the end. So let's go to section, advanced, and I'm going to padding. Let's do this, and let's open to the full. Let's save it. Let's go back here. Let's refresh. Right, it looks like because it's too big. My monitor is quite big, really. Interesting. It should look alright on the mobile. Alright, let's have a look, for example, on my simulator. Yeah, it looks alright on the mobile. So that's what it looks like on the mobile. Although this is only 320, 480, so it won't be on the HD version. I could go back a little bit on this one here. Let's have a look here. On style, content. Let's go 25. Let's refresh that. Still won't do it due to the fact that is for HD version. This is the old, as you can see, it is the old type of. I need to find out if it's a good extension for mobile, so I could optimize the design. But anyway, I can guarantee you that it looks good on the latest mobile phones, as you can see here, and it looks good on tablets, and it looks good on desktop. Anyway, I would like to say thank you to everyone for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos, and I'll see you next time for a new tutorial. Thanks again. Bye bye.